Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting tool is a much older tool in Microsoft Excel for many years. Recently, in some editions, upgrading is made to the tool by Microsoft Excel that has shown outstanding performance. This is a great way to add conception to your spreadsheet and make it easy for the user to understand your data. For instance, here we take this worksheet, and as you can see here, there is a lot of data and it is very difficult to read. Now, conditional formatting will enrich the readability of this spreadsheet. We will see how. First, highlight the items which we want to use for conditional formatting. So we will go to the Home menu, and in the Style group, we can select Conditional Formatting. Pull it down to see all of the tools available. I can make up rules and highlight just what is within my rule. I can simply find the top percentage or the bottom percentage, and I can color code through the use of data bars, color scales, and icon sets. First, we will see the data bars. When I choose data bars, it color codes the ranges within the cells as it's highlighted. It automatically puts a bar going across the cell so that we can see what the sales value is at. If I choose the color scale, it shows gradient effect from the lowest to the highest color scale. That's the thinking behind using the actual conditional formatting. It immediately lets me to go in and color code the part of the screen that I would prefer. While using the icon set, we find various shapes. For example, we see the stoplight like green, yellow, and red. This is only going to break the data into 3 ranges. If I go to green, yellow, red, black, it will break it into 4 ranges. For example, let's use our stoplight. Notice now it shows me the lowest, in between, and the highest range of data on. I go back to my styles, back to conditional formatting, and this time to my icon set, which is 4 traffic lights. Notice now I have 4 groupings of the data itself. Again, back into the conditional formatting, back to the icon sets, and you see in the graphical ratings on the bottom, which now gives me up to 5. So now I'll go in and take the 5 sets, and you'll see it goes from being entirely vacant to 1, 2, 3, and 4 different graphical representations. It's up to you to use what you want. You can even combine 2 of them together. For example, I'll go to Style, Conditional Formatting, and I'll choose the color scale. I'll turn the color scale on in addition to using the graphical representation. Notice how this really enhances the visualization of the data on the screen itself. It also clarifies the shading that we are going to use to enhance the visualization of the information on the screen. In the next video, we will talk about it even more.